Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of June 15th to the 21st and using this Beach Bum kit from Stuck on You Designz. Saturday, June 20th is the first day of summer and I thought this kit would be perfect to mark the first week of summer because it just feels very summery and beachy, of course, to me. And so on this page we have our full boxes. There was a glitter header add-on. I don't really use glitter headers. I've gotten way more into foiled headers, on this page we've got half boxes and then some half box checklists, our date covers, date dots, some more half boxes, scallop boxes, label stickers, some deco. That's fantastic. Our bottom washi, tons of cut washi. I love all of these different prints. So much fun. Full box checklist, again, something I don't really use, and especially not in my B6 planner because I just don't have room for it. Little things which I never use, and headers. Lots of fun icons that are both circle and kiss cut. I love kiss cut icons. Our weekend stickers, lots of quarter boxes, and both squared and rounded, and those are fantastic. And I'm going to use those so much in this spread. I already know. Let's go ahead and start putting some stickers on the page. If you would like to see how this spread comes out, please just keep watching. Okay, so to get started with the bottom washi, I needed to cut it down so that it would fit. And so I'm just lining it up on the page and using my pen to mark where I'm going to cut it with my paper trimmer. And then I'm using just my Recollections paper trimmer that I got from Michael's to slice the bottom washi so that it will fit at the bottom of the page and I'll still have plenty of room to plan above it. Once I've got that done, I'm going to move on to my date covers. I really wanted to bring silver foil into this spread. I used a kit from Paper Muse Crafts, I think in May, and it had really gorgeous warm toned like pinks and yellows in it, and it had silver foil, which blew my mind because those types of warm tone colors always make me typically think of either gold or rose gold foil. But because silver foil worked so well with that kit, I thought, you know what, I'm going to give silver foil a try with this spread. And I love how it came out. It was so perfect. So I have these silver foil date dots from Artbox Stickers, and I decided to use those instead of the date dots that came with the kit because I wanted to pull in some foil to this spread. And so now I'm putting down my date dots date covers. Once I have that done, I'm going to add one of the cute little decos that had like almost like a Polaroid picture of the palm trees to the top corner. And then the June script is from Rose Colored Days. I'm going to add a weekend script to the other side of the page. And that came from a Rose Colored Days sampler. And then add just one of the little floral deco pieces from the kit next to the weekend banner as well. Once that's down, I'm going to get started with my day by day. Heading over to Monday, I'm placing down a full box at the bottom of the column. And then working from the top down, I'm going to put down a header from Sadie Stickers. I love these new headers where it's got like this scattered bows and foil. So cute. Putting down a quarter box from the kit. I'm starting by marking that it was week 13 of working from home as I have been keeping track of my quarantine weeks. Layering some deco from the kit and then also one of these cute new vine stickers that I have from Honey Inked. I thought that layered over that quarter box so beautifully and I just love the added pop of foil there. Putting down one of the skinny washi strips from the kit. Those prints and then the pops of color they add to the spread, which is gorgeous. I'm layering a circle sticker from Planning Like a Pro and then a camera icon on top of it. I updated my profile picture at work, and so I just wanted to mark that in my planner. It was really time. My old profile picture at work was like 5 years old, so it was time for a picture that looked a little bit more like I look like now, in my opinion. Then I'm adding one of the rounded quarter boxes and using that to mark filming my plan with me. I have more of like a plan as I go type style. So I typically end up planning and filming across multiple days throughout the week. So I was definitely doing some planning that Monday. And then layering a half box from Artbox Stickers on top of that full box. I'm going to add two icons at the top and bottom, both of which are from the Pretty Pink Co. The little sports bra to mark my workout session and the skincare icon to mark my nighttime skincare routine. And then I felt like I wanted a little more color behind that circle, what is that, like a circle box, I guess you would call it, from Planning Like a Pro. I keep wanting to say Pretty Pink Co. But the part of the washi that I had cut off, the bottom washi, I just used that to layer behind that circle, and I thought it gave it nice color to pop off of. And then on Tuesday, I'm starting by putting down the full box with the palm trees, which I think might have been my favorite full box in the kit. And typically I put my favorite full box on Thursdays. There's another full box that I'm using on Thursday that I adore too. There were so many great images in this spread. I loved the images and the colors so much. It was really hard picking a favorite. Then I'm putting down another quarter box and marking that I uploaded my 10 tips to dress up your planner video onto my YouTube channel. I had so much fun making that video, and you guys seem to really like it as well. It was just really great just sharing, the things that I like to use and sort of my strategy and my approach to planning. So if you haven't seen that video, you might want to check it out. Then I put down a half box to mark that I started doing some online shopping for my husband's birthday. It is really difficult to shop for your husband's birthday when you share an Amazon account and you can't really keep a surprise for him, is what I am finding out right now. I'm trying to figure out a way to work around that, because I am trying to figure out what I want to get him, and then also try to make a little bit of a surprise for him, which I don't think is going to happen. Then I put down another one of the washi strips, layered a cute little car icon from Crafts by Towie, and the errand script came from the kit to mark just running some errands after work. And then I wanted to mark cooking dinner, and I had this cute little salt and pepper icon from Paper Muse Crafts from one of her freebies, and I used that to mark cooking dinner, and then layered another one of those honey inked fine stickers on top of that quarter box. Moving on to Wednesday, I was starting by placing down a foiled header from You Designz, and then the scalloped quarter box. I'm going to mark my midweek post. That Instagram icon is also from You Designz, and I like to share midweek in my spread on Instagram. And then putting down the full box with the cute little surfer girl, so adorable. Underneath there, I'm going to add another one of those quarter boxes from the kit with the rounded corners. These are I loved how many quarter boxes were in this kit. So perfect, because I feel like in a B6 spread, a quarter box is just like the perfect size, so you can fit as much as possible on the column. But I wanted to mark replying to YouTube comments. I've been trying to stay on top of my YouTube comments because you guys leave me the nicest comments. And that's like really the fun part, getting to interact with you guys and talk to other people who love stickers as much as I do. It really just makes me so happy. And I enjoy being able to interact and talk to you guys. And so I wanted to try to make sure I'm staying on top of my comments because I enjoy the interactions. And then at the bottom, I put down a half box. I'm going to add two icons here again. And the first icon is a cell phone from Crafts by Towie, and then the ballet slippers also from Crafts by Towie, marking that I wanted to text one of my closest friends. Her name is Toya. And then also marking my ballet bar workout that I was going to be doing that evening. And so moving on to Thursday, I'm starting by putting down the full box, which is that cute little lounge and the slippers and the magazine, which totally makes me want to go lounge by the beach. Would be heaven. And then also adding the full boxes for Friday and Sunday. And then there was not a full box, but like if you were using like an A5 sized planner, like the section that you would put in the sidebar that would match up with the bottom washi is where that chunky strip came from that I put on Saturday, which I thought was really great that was included in this kit, because it just gave me a little bit of background to put on Saturday, which I don't always like to put full boxes on Saturday because you get less room in a B6 planner with your weekend columns. On to Thursday, I put down a third box that was in the kit. I wish this kit had more third boxes. That was such a cute third box, and it was printed. I loved that one. Layered a laptop icon and marked that I needed to reply to some urgent emails for work. And then I'm putting down a half box, and this to buy script is from Paper Focus. Added a little money stack from Paper Muse Crafts, and I wanted to order a Barbie dream house for my niece. Her birthday, her and her twin brother's birthday, is next Saturday. And I'm not a mom yet, but I do have 3 adorable godkids. And my husband and I go crazy over them because they just like make our world so much happier. And the twins' birthday is coming up this next Saturday, and that was why I was texting my friend Toya, and just trying to find out what it was the kids wanted for their birthday. And oh my goodness, when she told me that my niece wanted a Barbie dream house, I was like, yes, I have been waiting for this moment. By the way, as of the recording of this voiceover, the dream house has arrived, and my husband looked at me like I had gone a little bit overboard, because it's like a 3-story Barbie dream house with a working slide and a working elevator and a carport. It's amazing. I totally want to play with it. But it's not about me. It's about my niece, obviously. Then I put down a quarter box to mark some planning that I did on Thursday. The planning script came from the kit, and then that tripod icon is from Artbox Stickers. I'm also going to add a little bit more deco. I loved all of the little floral deco pieces in this kit. It just added such a fun touch and really emphasized the whole theme of the kit. Loved it. On to Friday. I ended up taking the day off of work on Friday, which ended up working out really well. I was able to rest up a little bit, and then also get myself kind of mentally ready, because on Tuesday, I knew it was on Tuesday, the following Tuesday I would be starting school again, which meant that Sunday I'd have to start thinking about homework and getting starting with reading and getting myself ready to get back into the school grind. I added another one of those honey inked binds, and then I'm putting down this scalloped quarter box. I wanted to mark that it was Juneteenth, and I do know a lot of shops are starting to add Juneteenth to like their holiday scripts page, which is fantastic because I'll have a sticker for that next year. But this year I just decided to write it into my planner. Putting down a foil divider at the bottom of the column and then layering a movie marquee on top of it. Friday evening, my husband and I just kind of relaxed and watched Jurassic World, which was a nice bit of escapism to kind of take away the stress of the week and all of the things we were thinking about, and just relax and enjoy a fun movie. Then I put down a Happy Meal icon from the kit, and that haul live script is from Letters to Apollo. I uploaded a haul on Friday. And then onto Saturday, I am adding another piece of the bottom washi that I'd cut off to give myself a background. I'm going to layer another one of those Planning Like a Pro circles with a Hello Summer script from Rose Colored Days. It was the first day of summer, to which I'm very excited about. I love summer personally. I'm Southern California girl, born and raised. The beach is life, and so summer is everything for me. And then I'm adding a Today script from You Designz and going to layer a quarter box on top of that sort of bottom washi strip that I put down, adding another one of those workout icons from the Pretty Pink Co. And I got up early, and I was really feeling like super productive Saturday morning. I got up early, did a morning workout. I don't have it marked here because I have limited space, but I am going to mark painting my nails with that icon from Crafts by Tally. But I also ended up like doing some laundry, cleaning up some stuff around the house. It was great. And then I hit a wall at like 1 o'clock, and I was just like, I need a nap. I'm dying. So Saturday was interesting. On to Sunday, which was Father's Day. My dad, and my mom and dad retired to the country earlier this year, so I FaceTimed my dad because I didn't get to see him in person this year, which was fine. It was great to talk to him, and I've been keeping up with my parents and talking to them and FaceTiming with them a lot. But we did get a chance, of course, to go visit with my husband's dad, spend time with my father-in-law, which was wonderful. And then I also uploaded a collab with my good friend Rachel, who has Gathered Plans. If you have not seen that collab, I highly recommend checking it out. We had so much fun. We did a Would You Rather themed collab, and the questions were hilarious and ridiculous and so much fun to answer. So if you haven't seen it, go check out that video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're all having an amazing day and staying safe. See you next video. Bye.